Hello everybody, it's Storm, and today we're gonna be teaching you how to draw mug on Solidworks. The first thing we're gonna do is to go to front plane and open up Sketch. After that, we're gonna draw the half shape of the mug, choose a line and spline. We add the fillet here, then we go to surfaces feature. Now before that we should make an axis of revolution to guarantee that the feature gonna work. Now we have the shape of the mug, but without the hand holder. What we're gonna do right now is to add thickness to our design. For example, 1.5 to the surface. Gonna be looking like that. Not bad. Second thing, we're gonna add the reference plane. And about it must touch the surface. We're gonna know why after that. 17. Too much. 77. Is that okay? Not okay yet. When you touch the surface, I'm gonna open up Sketch and draw the shape of the hand of this mug. What we're gonna do is to draw a slot from the center, like that. We go to Smart Dimensions, we set 15. We draw an axe, like that, and make this axe vertical. The second part is to go to the right plane and draw a spline that gives the shape of the hand. Then make it coincident, like that. Now we go to Features, Sweep Boss. We select the profile, then the direction. The result will be like that. I guess we have a little problem here, but we're gonna solve it by opening Sketch, then convert our entities, and we go to Features, Extruded Boss, and we set up to Next. We set it invisible, hide it. Now we can add the fillet here by this amount. And now we are okay with the mug. Can edit our color. can increase graphics by removing this and adding a scene. The only thing that will define the real view of this mug is the lighting. Different scenes has different lighting. That's why you're gonna choose the most suitable one. Now you're okay with the mug, so don't forget to hit like button, subscribe to the channel and be updated to our daily videos. Peace!